In this presentation, I will refer to backwards transformation and give some examples to backwards reflection. Let's start with what is backwards transformation. Backwards transformation is when you are given both the object and the image and you need to explain briefly the transformation that has been used rather than perform a specific transformation. It is easy to identify some transformations like translation, which is a copy-paste, and enlargement, which is the only transformation that changes the size of the object. And it's more difficult to distinguish the reflection from the rotation. So let's start first with backwards reflection. To describe reflection, you need to find its mirror line. How can you tell that it's a reflection? Well, if you join the corresponding points of the object to the image, the lines created should be parallel. The procedure is to join the corresponding points of the original shape to its image, and the mirror line is the midpoint of these lines. Example 1. Identify the transformation that maps the triangle ABC onto the triangle A', B', C'. First of all, we start by joining the corresponding points A with A', B with B', and C with C'. Here we see that the lines created are parallel to each other, therefore this is an indication that the transformation here is the reflection. The mirror line is the midpoint of these lines. So it's the line x is equal to 3. The reason that the mirror line is the midpoint of these lines is because the distance from the object to the mirror line should be the same as the distance from the mirror line to its image. Therefore, here it's a reflection on the line x is equal to 3. Example 2, we need to identify the transformation that maps the triangle ABC onto the triangle A', B', C'. First of all, we start by joining the corresponding points A' with A, B with B', and C with C'. Since we see here that the lines are parallel, this is a reflection, therefore the mirror line is the midpoint of these lines. The answer is a reflection on the line y is equal to x. And example 3, to identify the transformation that maps the triangle ABC onto the triangle A', B', C', we join the corresponding points A with A', B with B', C with C'. The lines created are parallel, therefore the mirror line is the midpoint of these lines. Thus, the answer is a reflection on the line y is equal to x.